Welcome to a quick tips and tricks video. Today I want to show you what we can do in Illustrator with replication. So we're going to take this cool kind of step display, and you can see these are all multiple pieces that are the same that all kind of stack up into here. And so this is straight out of the library. Let's pop this into Illustrator. So once we're in Illustrator, you can kind of see there's our cool display. And what we want to do is we'd like to have some sort of image on here, and we want to replicate it across these different items. So when we first come in here, let's just grab like my favorite flower out of here, and we'll drag this out, drag it a little bit bigger, and let's drop it on like this right here. And so you'll notice as we put this on, you're going to see it's the same image all the way across. So if we want to take this image and we want to have it basically replicate on this entire side so we don't have to do that work, we really are going to need these to be on different drawings. So we're right now, you can see that's what we're on. We're on this, I think right here actually. Let's go click on this drawing here. There we go. So we're on this part right here, down here, this tray. So let's go make some new artboards. I guess we're going to need 4. So we're in this new articles. We got 1, 3, 4. So now you can see them down here at the bottom. And then for our artwork, we're just going to come down here. We're going to say we want a new artboard. And we'll do this again on this one. We're going to say we want a new artboard. And on the last one, same thing. We want a new. All right, great. So now you can see that we have this, this different design. Now we're still, if you look at the moment, we're all on the same ones here. There we go. So it's this one right here, or maybe it was this other one. There we go. All right. But what we'd like to have these is we'd like to have them use different ones. So we're going to come down here to the bottom, this lower, and we're going to say, hey, let's take this one and let's make it Article 2. Take this one. We're going to make it Article 3, and we'll take the last one and we're going to make it Article 4. All right. Let's drop our image back here on the side, kind of where we wanted it before. Maybe we'll drag it up a little bit and kind of center it like so. And then let's make that flower replicate to these different images. So I'm going to click here and I'll say make replication, and we'll click on this top one and it'll place the flower. So there's not much coming across that. Same thing. We'll click here, say make replication, click on the next one. Click here, make replication, click on the next one, this one, same process. And now you can see that our flower is perfectly replicated around the side there. Now we might have to do some other bleed trimming or something like that to solve that, but that's how you do multiple articles with replication. So hopefully that'll help you out when you're doing your designs.